Stop buying expensive pasta sauces. In just 5 minutes, you can make a rich, creamy garlic Parmesan sauce that tastes like it came straight from a restaurant. 2 tablespoons butter. For cloves garlic minced. 1 cup heavy cream. 3/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese. Half a teaspoon black pepper. Half a teaspoon salt. Half a teaspoon Italian seasoning. Fresh parsley for garnish. Heat a pan on medium heat and melt 2 tablespoons butter. Add minced garlic and sauté for 30 seconds until fragrant. Pour in 1 cup heavy cream and stir gently. Let it simmer for 1 minute. Add Parmesan cheese, black pepper, salt, and Italian seasoning. Stir continuously until the sauce becomes smooth and creamy. If the sauce is too thick, add a splash of pasta water to loosen it. Sprinkle fresh parsley and extra Parmesan on top for that perfect restaurant-style finish. Subscribe for more quick restaurant-style sauces you can make at home in minutes.